Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will be teaching you the core basics of Python. If you watched the previous setup video, please do, as the rest of the videos I post in this will probably require the same text editor and the same setup. So I'll put a link in the description for the setup video, and let's get going. First of all, pull up Sublime Text. Okay, here mine is. And last time I created a folder called test.py. If you did that too, you can simply X that out. And then create a new file. Save. Save. And I will save this as... I'll do it over test.py. I don't need that. I will call it hello world. Hello world. Okay, spell that wrong. Yeah. Hello world.py. Make sure you put this in or else it won't work. Save. And make sure it says Python like always. As you see, if it says something else, it'll code in a different programming language and not Python. And you probably notice it's called Hello World, and that's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna make this print Hello World. So first of all, just type in print. What this does, I didn't have to put parentheses at the end. What this code does is it'll print whatever you put inside the parentheses. So we have to put quotations for strings. Print oof. And then in Sublime Text you have to do Control B to build. And so I'll do Control B. Oof. And now you could make it say hello world. Save, Control B, hello world. As simple as that, your first Python line of code. Now, in the next video, I'll be teaching more complicated stuff about strings and print, whatever you call it, yeah, print. And so, yeah. Also with print, you can print anything you want, not only strings. Print 1. If I do print high, there's gonna be an error, because it says name error. Name high is not defined. We will be covering that in the next video. I hope you like this video, guys, and Coderzilla signing out.